Stop wasting your money on 5 different streaming subscriptions just to find one movie. You're paying for convenience, but getting hit with a massive monthly bill and a headache. If you're tired of code-expired errors and empty stores, you're in the right place. Today, I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom with the absolute best AppLinked store codes that are actually working in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. We're all about making your tech work for you without draining your wallet. Today, we are cutting through the noise to get you the most reliable setups for your firestick or Android TV. All apps downloader code and links are mentioned in the description. First up, let's talk about the all-in-one heavyweight. Use code 5555. This store is a goldmine for anyone looking to declutter their home screen. It focuses on high-bandwidth utility apps and media players that don't lag. If you've been dealing with buffering or low-quality streams, this is your fix. It's organized, it's fast, and it's updated weekly to ensure every link stays live. Next, for the sports fans and live TV junkies, you need to check out code 8888. We all know how frustrating it is when a game cuts out right at the final play. This store specifically hosts apps with dedicated servers for live events. It's the ultimate money saver if you're looking to cut the cord on expensive cable packages. Just a few clicks, and you have a front row seat to almost any game without the crazy fees. Third, let's look at the Maintenance Master store under code 3030. Most people forget that their streaming devices get bogged down with junk files. This store is packed with cleaners, speed testers, and file managers. Using these tools once a week will make your 3-year-old Fire Stick feel like it just came out of the box. It's the easiest way to extend the life of your hardware and avoid buying a new device every year. Now, here is a quick bonus tip for the pro users. Always use a secondary app installer from these stores. If one app goes down, having a backup media player already installed saves you 20 minutes of troubleshooting when you just want to relax. Also, keep an eye on the new arrivals section in code 5555. That is where the latest ad blocking tech usually drops first. Remember, tech should make your life easier, not more expensive. If these codes helped you clear the clutter and save some cash, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Subscribe to TechVibes for more no-fluff tech guides every week. Drop a comment below and let me know which code worked best for your setup. I'll see you in the next one.